man, oh man. Look at that monster. So 4-core radiator completely installed, transmission coolers. It's external as well as using original. Keep this AOD alive as long as possible. Original shroud. Nice, tight, original fan. Should do the job in keeping this car nice and cool. I really didn't like the original MSD wires, which we have here. They just sat way too close to the headers for my liking. I didn't trust them. There's a lot of damage on some of them. So, use these blue Motorsports. Ran these just for now until I get startup. They were in great shape. Had those laying around.